These crispy rice paper shrimp dumplings are ultra crunchy on the outside and made with a clever trick you'll wish you knew sooner. I'll walk you through every step to make it perfectly crispy. Chop some scallions. Add the shrimp, salt, white pepper, sesame oil, and scallions. Mix well. In a bowl, crack the egg. So what is the secret to extra crispy rice paper dumplings? Most people soak rice paper in water, so it's hard to make it extra crispy. Instead, we'll use the beaten eggs. No water is needed. You'll see the result in a bit. Lightly brush the beaten eggs on both sides of the rice paper until it is softened, but not too wet. Add about 1 tablespoon of the shrimp filling near the bottom corner. Fold up the bottom, followed by the 2 sides toward the center, and roll it up all the way. Repeat with the remaining wrappers and filling. In a pan over medium heat, add the cooking oil. You can use any high smoking point oil like grapeseed oil, avocado oil, or peanut oil. Carefully place the shrimp dumplings in the pan, and we're gonna pan fry for about 2 minutes per side until golden brown and crispy. The beaten egg will help the rice paper achieve that beautiful golden color. To make the dipping sauce, add the soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar, and my homemade chili oil. Click here for the recipe. And there you have it. Golden crispy on the outside, juicy and tasty on the inside. To make it a perfect meal, pair with my quick 5-minute broccoli and garlic sauce. Visit here for the recipe. This is absolutely amazing. The beaten egg changes the texture of rice paper and makes it extremely flaky and crispy. I love it. If you'd like to get a copy of my cookbook, check the description box. Subscribe, follow, and like for more easy to follow 30 minutes or less Asian recipes. I'll see you again soon. Bye!